Fashion TV ACACIA by BNW Developments. Fashion isn't just worn, it's lived. From the moment you arrive, the experience begins. You're welcomed by a striking front that speaks of elegance and ambition. Every curve, every edge, crafted with purpose, designed to stand apart. Step inside and you're greeted by a world where style meets comfort. Designer touches, thoughtful details, every corner made to feel like your own. Take a breath in sky-facing lounges, unwind by the pool, dine under the stars, laugh with loved ones in spaces made for togetherness. From fitness to fun, every amenity is an extension of your lifestyle. Inside your residence, luxury takes a more personal form. Soft tones, rich textures, and views that never grow old. This is where quiet moments feel just as grand as the big ones. Let nature flow into your everyday, with lush greens and calming blues always close by. And it all comes together on Al Marjan Island, Ras Al Khaimah's crown jewel and the new frontier of fashion-forward living. Fashion TV ACACIA by BNW Developments. A home that moves with your rhythm, a lifestyle just for you.